how to fix audio problem on Zoom. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will teach you how you can fix audio problem on Zoom. So if you have your Zoom app and then you're on a meeting and then you notice that the audio is not working well, you can fix it. And how do you do this? The first step is by checking out if there are latest updates on the app. And how can you do this? By going to the Play Store or the App Store or wherever store you got the application from. And in the search box, type out Zoom. All right. And once you type it out, you will be brought to the Zoom's page. On this page, you can see that there is a current update on the app. Once you can see, just click on update and then you wait for it to be updated. Now, once you're done updating the app, and then you can see that the audio issue is still there, all you need to do is to go to the settings page, like it's your settings app, and then once you're on the settings page, scroll down until you can see app management and click on app management. Once you click on app management, you'll be brought to the app management page. Then you select app list, and then in the search box, type Zoom. Select it, and after selecting it, you will be brought to the Zoom's page. On this page, you will see notifications, permissions, storage, and cache. Ensure you select storage and cache. And the next step is to clear your cache and then clear your storage as well. All right. But the disadvantage about clearing storage is that the app's data will permanently be deleted. All right. So this is a sacrifice you have to pay. So once you're done clearing it, you can now go back and open your Zoom app now. Now, if the problem still persists, the next step is to uninstall and then reinstall the Zoom app on your phone. And by now, definitely the audio would be fixed if you don't have any issues with your mobile device. All right, everything you've done will make the audio to work on your phone, or to make the audio of Zoom to work on your phone. So that is it. This is how you can fix Zoom audio. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.